In today's video, you will learn how to quickly strengthen your immune system. Eating and sleeping well and washing our hands regularly are things that strengthen our immune system. These are things that you can always do if you want a strong immune system, as the researchers say that these steps can help your body fight infections. But did you know that there are some other ways of boosting your body's defense mechanism? Because of what is currently happening in the world, we all need to strengthen our immune systems to avoid health issues that may weaken our body and leave us susceptible to bigger issues like coronavirus. So, let's see 6 easy steps to strengthen the immune system. 1. Drink green tea. We have already talked about the benefits of green tea on our channel. This tea is rich in polyphenols, which are antioxidants that help fight infections. 2. Use natural seasonings. Garlic, onion, ginger, turmeric, and cayenne pepper are natural seasonings that also double as natural medicines. They have antioxidant, detox, and antimicrobial properties. 3. Sleep well. We are always saying that sleep is essential for the immune system. Did you know that sleeping well can strengthen the cells that fight infections? Isn't it interesting? Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. 4. Avoid stress. Did you know that stress can affect your health? The brain and immune system are in constant communication. When we get stressed, the brain increases cortisol production to prepare the body for emergency situations. But when that happens, our immune system gets suppressed. 5. Keep yourself warm. Did you know that viruses are more infectious in temperatures below 98 degrees Fahrenheit? Maintaining your body heat or staying in warm places is essential for good health. 6. Hydrate your body. Keeping yourself hydrated helps the body naturally eliminate toxins and bacteria that may cause diseases. So, how many of these steps do you do daily? Follow them if you want to strengthen your immune system and your body. You liked the video? Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.